Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been well. So today we are going to work on shortcuts or tips about elastic constants. So recently I have been trying to do some calculations using CASTEP and getting the elastic constants. So you might find that you have some errors or getting some maybe warnings, so many warnings and errors, and getting unrealistic elastic constants. So probably you need to update your Python. So use this command, check the link in the description, just paste this command on your Ubuntu, and after updating your Python libraries, then this error should be fixed, because this is the CPY, that this error is the one that I was getting. And in addition to that, so I have done some calculations for the TiO2, as you can see here. So I want to do some elastic constants for it, so I do generate strain, that command for generating strain TiO2. So let me see. Yeah, so I have generate strain, so I can do this and do this and that. So when I do that, as you can see, I have several patterns, strain patterns, and it's required from my previous video so that we do CASTEP calculations or optimization for each of these strain patterns. But for example, you are required as, maybe let me do this example for one. Let me show you what I mean. I click like this, I come and do this, I copy that, and I come here. And by the way, you don't need to write CASTEP MPI run, so you can just put castep.mpi and then right click that one. So initially I had from my previous video I had say that you need to do each step by step, of which you need to do all of geometry optimization for this. So let's say you are going out or you want to sleep and the optimization stops at night. So what you need to do in such a case is that you can run multiple geometry optimizations using Ubuntu, and this is how you do it. So you just launch a new window, Ubuntu, like that, and then you just come here, migrate to the folder, and do this. So remember the name of your, let me just right click like that, and now the next one is TIO, like that. So you can leave all of them running. The calculation will run, the optimization will run, and you can, even if you want to go maybe for a weekend out, you can leave all the calculations running. You don't need to come and do it manually again and again and again. You can leave multiple calculations for geometry optimization for the generated Cij geometries. So that is one of the things that I wanted to share with you. You can do this especially so that you can save on time and finish your research early. In addition to that, I want to show you how you can save the calculated values in text as text form. So this is the command that you do. Instead of just writing elastics.pi.tio2 and then you come and try to copy the output from the Ubuntu window. So this is how you're going to do it. So after completing all the geometry optimization for the Cij files, you can come to this folder. So let's migrate to that folder, and I had done these calculations earlier, so I just come and copy paste, just copy elastics py. So if you do this like this, yeah, you'll simply get these values for the elastic constants. These are the elastic constants, the final Cij, as you can see. But if you want to save these values in text format, you can just come and maybe put forward this one, and then maybe dem fea dot txt. So once I do that, just ignore the errors. When I come here to the folder that I'm working on, I open this, as you can see. So this is my output file, so I can easily come and work on this. Yeah, so this is how you do it. If you love or you like these contents, please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the rest of your time. Cheers.